everyone, this is Deanna, the Organized Miss, and I have a haul today. I wanted to open it here on camera and take a look at it with you guys. Thank you, Tony, for packing my order. This is the first time that I've ordered from PlannerMonkeyCo, and I had wanted to order before because the things that I've been wanting had been sold out when I had tried to buy before. And so I got this order on Black Friday, and what I wanted was available. So I snagged it up, and a whole lot of other things. So that's what I did, and it looks like I got several Black Friday freebies. I guess I didn't know what the Black ready to start setting up my planner for New Year's. Oh, these are so cute. Definitely gonna get out and play with these. Oh, adorable. So these were the freebies. I got more freebies. Look at this. How cute is this die cut? I mean, I feel like I would have bought this anyway but I don't think I did. And this cute little card, which is perfect. And this, is this a B6 or an A5? Let's see, I've got a B6. Let's just check and see. Huh, it's a B6. All right. It's a card. It's pretty good. I mean, I could put it right here. I might do that. I might just set it right there so I can look at it because it looks really cute there. That's my wall. But very cute card. Okay, I'm gonna find a place to just set it right now where I look at it. Oh, it's so adorable. I haven't even got to the things I purchased yet. So, first up, which way is these? Oh, they're all kinds of way. Here, let's just set them over here. We'll do them one at a time because they deserve their own moment, right? So I got this freely noted, right? Is that what this is called? The freely noted extra, grid size. This is a Hobonichi week size. So let's just pull out my planners that I still have yet to set up. This is my sterling ink, but I got the compact, I guess, not the full year, so I thought having an extra notebook would be perfect. Oh, look at that. Perfect. I don't know that it's going to stay in here, but it's cute if it did. We'll move it over. Oh, so perfect. I love it. So just an extra notebook that I can have because we can never have too many of those, right? And then I got this cute yearly planner sticker to go inside my Hobonichi, or I might put it in this sterling ink. I hadn't decided, but of course, coffee is my theme. Well, it's my theme always, but I thought I'd use more coffee things this year. I thought this would be fun for like birthdays. So I got this, and then I got this a good washi card. Just, you can never have too many of these, so that I can put in the pocket of my weeks. Where is that? Because I have, the ones I have are kind of, little tight fit, but I thought, oh, that'll fit perfect. Those will fit in there. So we'll just set it there for now. Practical. And then I've got this adorable die cut. Try not to get the glare on there. So cute. I have another one somewhere hiding. I don't know where I'm hiding it. Did I leave it in with this? I have another one somewhere. Let's see, where did I put it? Aha, look at that. I was not wrong. Coffee ivy. I have my whole life said just hook me up to a coffee IV. My dad worked in the medical profession, so it was kind of like an inside thing, and now it's, you know, clearly popular to say that, but so I love those. Let's just set those right here. And then I found some monthly, I got the large, transparent, and then small minis, I guess, months. I thought they would be good for setting up my my sterling ink, because that's, I think, pretty much going to be my everyday carry. I do have also a Hobonichi Weeks, but that's going to be my journal memory keeping, and when I feel like carrying that one. But primarily, I will use the sterling ink as my everyday carry. And then I got these cute little, for dentist appointment and doctor appointment scripts, because I'm always looking for a little something something, you know, just little. And I saw them and I said, I need those. And then the thing that I have been on the hunt for ever since I first saw these, I was like, I need one. I made a sticker book, but it wasn't this. So I got the coffee stain sticker book. And oh, how adorable is this one? I first saw this, I think, on Mama More Plants. Taylor, I think is maybe, I mean, I've seen it a couple different places, but I'm just trying to think of where I saw it first. And when I went to go buy it the first time, it was sold out. And then I saw this too. Again, they were sold out. So Black Friday, I got them both. Oh, I cannot wait to set them up and set up all my stickers. But there's a lot of pages in here. I think this would be perfect solution for me, because I made one. I had made this when these were sold out and I couldn't get them. And it's cute, it's perfect. I think I made it to be like a 6 or something. But it doesn't have near as many pages in there. So that is lovely. I'll keep this one, but I'm gonna start loading this one up with, you know, future stickers. So this is my, well, hey, I didn't get it all. Wow, look at all this amazing stuff. Oh my gosh. I love them all. I love everything about it. Put that up there. I'm missing the washi card, because, you know, that's important. Oh, I just love it. Can we even see it? Did I put it too far out of the screen? Let me move it down there. Oh, so perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They're beautiful. I love them so much. Thanks for letting me share my haul with you. I have no idea if these are available. I didn't even check and look. I just love them. They're so beautiful. So thanks for letting me share my Planner Monkey haul with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.